Hey everyone, what's up? So, you're here because you're wrestling with this whole MBR to GPT conversion thing, right? Trust me, I've been there. You've probably seen tons of videos that just make it sound like rocket science, and honestly, they can be super confusing. But don't worry, I'm gonna break it down for you like super simple. We'll get your drive converted whether you're rocking Windows 7, 10, or 11, no problem. And this is a big but, listen up, back up your stuff. Seriously, like everything, this process wipes your drive clean, so if you don't back up, you're gonna lose everything. Trust me, you don't want that. Alright, let's jump right into it. Here's the drive we're gonna convert. Now, this part is really important, so pay attention. We need to find, create, and format hard disk partitions in the search bar. Now, here's where people mess up. You have to pick the right drive. If you get this wrong, you're gonna accidentally format the wrong thing, and that's a bad day. In my case, it's this 111 gigabytes SSD. Let's double check the format. Right-click, go to Properties, then Volumes. Yep, as expected, it's MBR. Okay, so we want to switch it to GPT. Now, if we right-click and try Convert to GPT Disk, you'll see it's grayed out. Annoying, right? That's because we need to clear out the old partitions first. So, right-click on each volume, like SSD OS and System Reserved, and hit Delete Volume. Just like that, gone. If you have more volumes, do the same thing. Now, sometimes you'll have a healthy primary partition that won't delete. That's where we get a little techie. Don't panic. Open Windows Terminal as administrator. Type Diskpart and hit Enter. Then, list disk and enter. You'll see all your drives. Now, pick the right one, check the sizes. Mine's disk 2, so select disk 2 and enter. Got it? Now, list partition and enter. See that stubborn partition? We're gonna get rid of it. Select partition 1, or whatever number it is, and enter. Then, delete partition override, and enter. Boom! It's gone. Back to disk management. You'll see that partition is history. And look, Convert to GPT Disk is now clickable. Click it. Done. To make sure, right-click, Properties, Volumes, and yep, it's GPT. Awesome. Now you might be wondering, where's my drive? It's not showing up in File Explorer yet. We need to create a new volume. Right-click on the unallocated space, New Simple Volume, Next. Next, pick a drive letter. Next, leave everything as is. Next, finish. And there you go. Your drive is back, and it's GPT. Easy, right? Look, if you get stuck, just ask in the comments. I'll help you out. And if this video saved you from a headache, do me a favor and hit that like button. Share it with anyone who's struggling with this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.